Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a update for Microsoft Edge released late yesterday, October the 6th, 2022. Of course, I like to talk about them in case you want to know, and especially when they are in security fixes. But in this case, it's not. It's bug fixes following the release of Edge 106. So it's various bug fixes that are done. One of them, apparently, some crashes when some people are opening PDF files. Another one has to do with freezing on video playback. So it is fixed, and so if you go to your Edge browser, go into the upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, go into Help and Feedback, and About Microsoft Edge. The version number will be 106.0.1370.37. It's a slight increase from .34 that was when the 106 was released. So it's really just bug fixes. It's something that's going to happen anyways at some point. If you use Edge, it's going to happen automatically. If you don't use Edge, even you can ignore that. It's not a problem for now, as the browser itself it's nothing about security, so it's not really a problem for now. So Microsoft Edge moving ahead and slowly looking with taking on with some new features from time to time. Possibly in the next few days, somebody was asking me if I could do a rundown of some of the major features that were added to Microsoft Edge in the past months and maybe in the past year. We haven't talked about Edge much in recent videos, so I'll be looking at what major feature Edge has received since probably the beginning of the year, and be featuring them on subsequent videos here on the channel, so you guys can see that. And being fair, I will also probably look at Google Chrome since the beginning of the year. What did Google Chrome add or change that would be interesting for the viewers? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching our videos on the channel.